tutorial will be about the standard form equation for a line, specifically how to graph a line that's given to you in standard form using x and y intercepts. But before I get to that, I promised my Algebra 1 class that I would eat some peanut butter on bread for Kyle. So Kyle, this one's for you. That's all I can do successfully and still talk. So, standard form equation of a line looks like this. AX plus BY equals C. And here, X and Y are variable, A, B, and C are constant. An example of a standard form equation might be something like 3x minus 5y equals 8. Here, the A value is 3, the B value is negative 5, and the C value is 8. Now, A, B, and C have to be integers, and more often than not, we let A be positive. So if there is a negative number here, we will multiply through by negative 1. Example, if you were given a standard form equation that looked like negative 2x minus 3y equals 15, the more common way you'd see this, multiply everything by negative 1, you would see this written as 2x plus 3y equals negative 15. Okay. So what's really handy about standard form equations is that you can find the x and y intercepts of a standard form equation very quickly. So if we look at the equation 3x minus 4y equals 12. And we're asked to graph this equation set. Okay, so one way you could do this is you could convert this to slope-intercept form. You could find where the y-intercept is, find the slope, plot a couple of points, connect the dots. But there's an easier way to do that when you have a standard form equation. And what you want to do is consider where the x and y intercepts are. So the x-intercept is the point on the line where it crosses the x-axis. And the y value at the x-intercept is 0. So we know that the x-intercept is going to be something comma 0. The y value is 0. Well, let's go back to our equation. If the y value is 0, then 4 times 0 is 0. So that term sort of goes away. It becomes 0. And then I have 3x equals 12. And to get the x value at this point, you would just divide both sides by 3. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. So we know that the x-intercept is the point 4, 0. So we have 1, 2, 3. There's the x-intercept at 4, 0. We're going to do the same process to find the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is the point on the graph that crosses the y-axis. Well, you'll notice that the y-intercept has an x value of 0. Like the x value is not positive, the x value is not negative, the x value is 0. So we know that the y-intercept is 0 comma something. So now we know that the x value is 0 at the y-intercept. So 3 times 0 is 0. That term goes to 0. So now I have negative 4y equals 12. Divide both sides by negative 4. And y is equal to negative 3. So we know that the y-intercept is the point 0, negative 3. So we plot that point right here. Now we've got our 2 points. 2 points determine a line. So, you know, use your straight edge, use your ruler, connect the dots. And you have graphed an equation using the intercepts. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next Algebra 1 video.